Medical notes. Do you create them? Do you collect information from them? How important is it to you that a note is properly prepared and complete, and that the language used leaves no room for guesswork? How long does it take to create such a note? Meet the perfect assistant in creating and using your medical notes. CliniNote. Start typing and CliniNote will add a suggestion. Results? The note is always complete, legible, and understandable for specialists around the world. CliniNote uses a constantly updated database of medical dictionaries, lexicons, the latest research results, abbreviations, codes, and markings specific to the medical industry. The application guarantees access to notes in a depersonalized form. Patient data is always under strict protection. Have you already started to realize just how much CliniNote can support your work? Substantial reduction of time spent at the stage of creating a note. Indication of analogous medical cases. Intelligent linking of depersonalized notes with the patient while using your hospital HIS system. Always up-to-date monitoring of medical cases in hospitals or clinics. Reduction in data collection costs. Implementation of the application does not require additional training, changing work practices, or special software. Don't hesitate. Check it out. Contact us. CliniNote.pl